Hi, I'm Crystal, and today I want to show you my refurbished dollhouse. This is a dollhouse my dad made for me when I was a kid, and I am refreshing it so I can hand it on to another kid. So this is part of Project Share Thursday, which is hosted by the lovely Mary Ellen. I'd like to thank her for hosting this open collaboration. So this dollhouse is one that my dad made for me in about, I want to say 1970. And I don't think he had any plans or anything. I think he had just bought himself a jigsaw and a sheet of plywood and made it up as he went along. It's not really made to a particular scale. It's close to a 12:1, but not exact. So I refreshed the dollhouse and I made some cardboard furniture for it. I have a little toy dollhouse in the attic playroom. I have some twin beds, a little rug. That's the bathroom sink. Once I finish my bottle of mouthwash, I'm going to cut the bottom off for a bathtub. Then downstairs I have a sofa and a coffee table and another rug and some kitchen cabinets and a kitchen counter and some stools. So the dollhouse was not in great shape. It's over 50 years old and it had been stored in my garage for over 30 years. And it is a substantial piece. I mean, this is a piece of furniture. It's very heavy. It has casters on the bottom. And I just hated to throw it away, so I wanted to refresh it for the next generation. So I started out by testing for lead paint, which is crucial for anything made before 1978. There was no lead in the paint, which is good. So after I did a lot of cleaning, I repainted absolutely every surface with brand new paint with a bonding primer built in. And then I got some 12:1 scale wallpaper and flooring in the dollhouse aisle at Hobby Lobby and refreshed the interior as well. There was some previous glue and wallpaper and stuff that I just could not get off. So I made myself some newspaper patterns for the flooring, put in my fresh wallpaper, my fresh floors, and my little bits of cardboard furniture that are just made from cereal boxes. My favorite of the cardboard furniture was this little toy dollhouse that I made for the attic playroom. This was a box that held a bar of soap, so I kind of shaped it to mimic the shape of the dollhouse, and I used a few scraps of wallpaper, the same wallpaper that's in the different floors, and little scraps of flooring. So there's that little bit of wood floor and a little bit of tile sticker. So I thought that was kind of fun. That was my favorite piece. So I'm glad to be handing this off to another child who hopefully will enjoy it. And thank you for joining me in this episode of Flip My Dollhouse.